Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today we are checking out the Mishimoto 2012 to 2018 JK Wrangler Coolant Filtration System. Now this kit is really neat. Mishimoto took a lot of time to design this kit to address some problems that the 2012 through 18 JK Wrangler had. Now with the 3.6 liter Wrangler, they were having a lot of issues with sediment and debris in your coolant system. Now what that comes from is different casting sand when they created the cylinder head and other debris that is in there and flowing through your engine. Now what that can do is clog up a lot of vital components and really cause you a lot more engine issues than you need. Now with this kit, it is under $200, includes everything that you need to get it installed, and is going to prevent all of those issues. Now what this kit can filter up to is 27 microns of a substance, which is extremely tiny and is gonna really get all of that sediment and really nasty stuff out of your coolant system. It is completely plug and play. You will need to cut a few hoses, but everything is right here to get it done. It comes with their super nice hose here. You can see it's got the orange line inside of there, and this is all wrapped and extremely durable. It comes with your actual coolant filter, which is just a simple Wix oil filter. So when you do need to replace this, you can just go into your local auto parts store, use the number on there, and get that replaced. It's got a billet adapter here, and that's where the filter goes. That's your in port, and then it's got an out port on the bottom, and it comes with a bracketry as well as these release hoses so you can get all the debris out of here when it's all filled up. Now, like I said before, this is gonna fit your 2012 to 2018 and is gonna eliminate all the debris flowing through your coolant system. We are gonna have an installation video here soon, but this is just a quick idea of if you're looking to replace and fix an issue that you have on your engine, definitely check this out. It's available right here on cjponyparts.com. And Mishimoto also creates all sorts of other cool products for Jeeps, including intakes, all different other hoses. We've installed a ton of them on our different Wranglers and other vehicles here. So definitely check that out on our website. You won't be disappointed. And if you have any other ideas on products you'd like me to showcase, definitely drop it in the comment below. We love to check them out. And this one actually here is from a viewer, so definitely go down there and drop a comment and we'll do one on it. So until next time, guys, see you out on the trail. Make sure to check this stuff out for your Jeep.